spaceflight company Rocket Lab successfully launched its second Electron rocket for a crucial flight test, and reached orbit for the first time. The Electron took off from the company's launch facility in New Zealand at 2:43 p.m. local time on Sunday or 8:43 p.m. ET on Saturday, and about 8.5 minutes later, the rocket deployed 3 small commercial satellites. It marks the first time the Electron has completed a full mission, and that may mean that Rocket Lab is ready to begin commercial vehicle flights. Reaching orbit on a second test flight is significant on its own, but successfully deploying customer payloads as soon as a new rocket program is almost unprecedented, said Peter Beck, CEO of Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab founded with the aim of opening access to space to better understand our planet and improve life in it. Today we took a significant step towards that. The great ambition of Rocket Lab is to be a dedicated launcher of small satellites. That's why the Electron rocket of the company is not very big. It is just over 55 feet tall, a lightweight stature compared to SpaceX's Falcon 9, which has a height of 180 feet. And the capacity of the Electron is limited, only able to reach between 330 pounds and 500 pounds to lower the orbit of the Earth. By way of comparison, the Falcon 9 can get about 50,000 pounds to a similar orbit.